Hello everyone, welcome back to the Sweet Star Candle YouTube channel, and today we're going to be making a cow print inspired wax melt. So for step 1, we're going to fill the bottom of a pitcher with just a small amount of our wax melt beads. Once you've got a little bit on the bottom, we can place it on our melter and get that melting. So while our black wax is melting, I'm going to measure out 5 ounces of wax melt wax in a different pitcher. So while our black is melting, I'm going to add 3 drops of black candle dye. And then I'm going to add 1/64 teaspoon of mica powder. So my black wax is now melted and it's ready to go in the clamshell, and I'm basically just going to swap the black for the white wax. So I'm basically just going to use my pipette and put our black and make it look like a cow print. I'm basically just trying to get little splotches of color. I'm happy with that look, how that looks, and I'm just going to let that solidify while our white wax melts. I think I'm going to add another 1/64 teaspoon of mica powder to our white wax. And I'll have a link to below to all the products that I use. So my white wax has got to 200 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm going to add some fragrance oil. Today I'm using some Sunshine Passion Fruit from Aztec Candle Supply, but you can use whatever fragrance oil you want. I'm going to use a little less than half of this, so this is 1 ounce. So once my fragrance oil has been mixed in, I'm going to let the wax sit until it reaches 160 degrees Fahrenheit. So my white wax has reached 160 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm going to pour into my clamshell. I'm going to let this solidify, and I'll be right back. Okay, I've let my wax melt solidify, and if you added fragrance oil like I did, make sure you wait 2 weeks before melting. So here's what it looks like. I think it's such a cool design and it's so easy to do. I'm going to get this popped out of the clamshell. Thank you everyone for watching. Please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up and subscribe. Comment below what wax melt video you want to see next. And you can use code YT15 for 15% off on our website. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you guys next week.